Today we gather to mark a significant milestone as we celebrate the European Commission joining Eurex repo with the launch of the EU repo facility.
Eurex and Eurex Clearing's fixed income strategy is all about being the home of the euro.
At the heart of it all is Frankfurt. Frankfurt is the financial hub of Europe, and therefore we are here.
The Bundesbank will act as a general clearing member for the Commission. Having provided similar services to several other public entities for many years, the Bundesbank brings experience to the table.